Here are our top 5 takeaways of Assembly Hall in Austin, Texas. 1. Assembly Hall is a modern industrial venue where guests walk in through a landscaped courtyard. It's super chic, has built-in string lights, and you can even tent the courtyard if you need the extra space. 2. The main hall has 16-foot ceilings, retractable window shades, polished concrete floors, and gorgeous arched windows that make the whole space feel bright and elevated. 3. We are obsessed with this built-in 20-foot bar. It looks amazing, but more importantly, it keeps things moving so your guests won't be stuck waiting for a drink. 4. You get the venue from 9 a.m. to 12 a.m., which means your wedding party can settle in early and use the fully furnished green room to get ready before everything kicks off. 5. This modern industrial space is basically a blank canvas. Feel free to go all out with a fun dance floor, unique lighting, and big statement florals. Plus, the venue comes with a high-tech AV setup, including zoned audio and professional stage lighting. If all of this sounds good to you, let's explore Assembly Hall and find the venue that fits your vision.